What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Josh coming at you today from ridemotos.com. Hey, today we have a very special video in store for you. We are going to the SW-Motech booth live at the AIM Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada. They have outfitted a KLR 650 with all of their new motorcycle adventure gear, as well as some of their really cool accessories. So we're going to talk to one of the guys from SW-Motech, and he's going to talk through all of their different luggage options and why they might be the best adventure motorcycle luggage on the market today. We're going to get into all of that and more right after this. All right, guys, well, welcome back to the channel. So we are here at the SW-Motech booth at AIM Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada. And hey, we are joined with Shane, the sales manager here at SW-Motech.
How's it going? Doing great. Loving the show.
Awesome, man. So I walked by this booth and just saw the KLR 650 completely outfitted in SW-Motech gear. And so wanted to talk through some of the gear, what you guys do. So when I thought of SW-Motech, full confession, I thought you were a motorcycle storage company that offered solutions, but you have so much more than that on this motorcycle.
So much. What we started with was our metal products, our crash bars, our engine guards, and then we went to the side carriers, and then from there we've added our luggage because all the other companies were wanting they wanted to put their products on our crash bars, so we thought we'd play the game too. So
interesting, yeah. I mean, first and foremost, you have this tank bag right here. This thing is amazing. It looks really, really sturdy. Can you talk through this solution and maybe what the purpose is for it?
Yes. So having a storage solution for your gloves, your cell phone, things like that you maybe don't want to put deep down in some of the other storage solutions, having a tank bag is really nice. The majority of our tank bags are going to be a one-piece mounting system, and I have it mounted on the seat here. It's just a quick clip.
Wow, that was really easy.
So that's normally going to go on a tank ring, but the KLR doesn't have that, so we do a 4-point strap system on this. But this we just have there because a lot of our customers will have multiple bikes. So if you have a sport bike and then an adventure bike or 2 adventure bikes, you're usually going to have our tank bags, a full line of them, and different tank rings on each bike. So we wanted to give you an opportunity to use that tank bag on a bike that doesn't necessarily have a traditional tank ring.
Great. So moving to the back of the motorcycle, I mean, this is not just a duffel bag.
Correct. Yep. Yeah, so we have a full line of dry bags, anywhere from 2 liters to 70 liters. And one of the really nice features about our dry bags is they have a mounting system that is held to the motorcycle. So once you get to wherever you want to go, you can get there, just pop it off, and then pull your bike off. All of your mounting, everything just stays there. Go to your hotel room, come back, pop it on there, strap it on and go from there. So.
Wow, that's amazing. And as a fellow motorcycle camper, I mean, this duffel bag right here is large enough. I could put a tent in here, sleeping pad, sleeping bag. I mean, this could kind of be all of your camping gear that you would need in one single bag, and then you have your clothes on top of here, and you're pretty much good to go. It's completely self-contained.
Absolutely. Yep. Yeah, I mean, this bike we kind of set up as just kind of an everyday camping bike. We didn't want to put our most expensive stuff on there. Just something, it's not the most expensive motorcycle, so the fact that you can go buy a $7,000 KLR and we still have a really high quality option for you that doesn't cost, like our $2,500 track setup or adventure setup. You have really high quality stuff for a reasonable price as well. So
sure. And for those of you guys on video, I mean, this product right here, it feels like really, really quality product. It doesn't feel like stuff is going to wear out if you take it down the road. I mean, it's weatherproof, it's waterproof, it's really, really durable. Man, I'm shocked by just the quality of what you guys are offering.
Thank you. Yeah, we take it very seriously, and we've been known for it for a long time. The crash bars, like I said, is kind of what we started with, and this is our 3rd generation of making KLR crash bars, so we know it. We wanted to get as sleek as possible on this motorcycle and still maintain the tipping points so they look good and it doesn't look like a cattle guard or something that's on your motorcycle.
Okay, well, one of the things that I noticed on this motorcycle that maybe I wasn't aware of, and it might be my fault, but would love to highlight it, is just some of the other accessories that you have other than motorcycle storage. So sure. You obviously see the bags that are attached to the engine guards themselves, yep. But you have the hand guards, you have the mirrors, you even have a GPS mount. Can you talk through some of those different options?
Yeah, I mean, as we are all riders, so when we're riding a motorcycle, we see, if an OEM comes out with something, like the KLR comes with stock hand guards, but they're just plastic pieces that flap in the wind. So why wouldn't we make a better option for it? So all of the handguards that we have use the same plastic fronts, but all of the rest of them are bike-specific hard points. This is a single mount, so this is just going to go to the bar end, but there is a 2-point as well. So it just depends on how aggressive you're running. This is going to be sturdy if you tip over, but if you're going to be having a lot of forward impact, you probably want to go with that that 2-point
Sure,
mount
sure.
as well. So and then the mirrors. I mean, we've started making our own mirrors. It's a high-end mirror. They are adjustable, so they'll extend and contract. And
That's really nice.
So if you're out in the woods, you can always tip them up, kind of go in there. They are CNC metal, so I'm just enough for that. But yeah, been very successful. We like them a lot. So.
Man, that's amazing. And I know mirrors are one of the things, especially for those people that are off-roading in the adventure world. I mean, you don't want a mirror that's sticking out when you're in really, really heavy brush situations. So having the ability to really rotate it and get it out of the way, but still have quality CNC metal is something really, really unique, because most of the other ones that you see on the aftermarket community are kind of cheap and plasticky, and they maybe don't have the same quality that you would associate, well, with a premium brand like SW-Motech. So you guys did a phenomenal job on the mirrors.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so we've swung around to the other side of the motorcycle. So this bike actually has some roto packs mounted to the side of it, and wanted to talk through some of the unique options that you guys actually have and how easy this is to take on and off.
Yeah. So we've been making side carriers for a very long time. We've recently switched over to what we call the Pro Carrier. And with the Pro Carrier, we have a lot of different adaptation points to it. So on this side, we do have the roto packs with our own adapter to them. Obviously, we don't make any sort of storage like this, but we do make it so that you could put it on if you wanted to. And this is going to be the familiar side carrier that you've seen. And one of the things that sets us apart, and has set us apart for a long time, is that not only are they very sturdy, but with 4 quarter-turn pieces, you can pull the whole carrier off.
Hold on. That was literally like 10 seconds to get that entire thing off. Are you kidding me?
Right. So normally, you're going to put your tracks bag, a box on there, and you'll be going, say, 10-day adventure, all your gear on there. But you come home and you still have a dirt bike. Take everything off, go rip in the woods with your buddies. You don't have all the racks and everything sitting there. So Pro Carrier itself, it's a hydroformed piece of 4mm metal, very sturdy, but it has adaptation points for a lot of different things. The other side of the motorcycle, we put an adapter on there to use one of our other carriers, the SLC carrier. But when you put it back on, like this one I have set up for our larger boxes, like the Trax box and the Sysbag WP that we just came out with.
And this is crazy, guys. We actually didn't do this ahead of time, so you're getting a live demonstration on just how easy this is to take on and off. Man, I'm blown away by this.
So then you have, your big box. Pull it over there. And not everyone's going to have 2 sets of racks, but this just kind of shows the difference of things that can be mounted to it. So.
Wow, that is amazing, man. Hey, thank you so much for taking the time to go through all of your guys' different product options. As I mentioned, I mean, this stuff feels so premium. The ease of use, how well you guys have thought through every aspect of it for the motorcycle community. I mean, I would encourage you guys, if you're looking for a storage solution that's easy to use, that is premium quality, and if you guys are looking at even upgrading your storage solution, go check out SW-Motech. You guys are really bringing it with the quality. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being here.
Absolutely.
Cool.
Well, all right, guys, so you have it, the official review of all of the different aspects of the SW-Motech Adventure Luggage Gear Package. Man, they have so many different things. I love that they have budget options for people that maybe are wanting to save a little bit of money, and then they have really premium options on their motorcycle. Hey, I'm interested to hear what you guys think. If you have used some of the SW-Motech gear, or if you've had other gear from other motorcycle manufacturers that you love, what's worked for you, what hasn't. So please leave a comment down below. Would love to hear your guys' thoughts. And always, if you have not done so already, please go over to www.ridemotos.com for all of your motorcycle content needs. We're also on social media at RideMotosOfficial. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. As always, if you have liked this video, please smash the like button, give the channel a subscribe. That helps more than you know. We are releasing content every Monday and Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Till we meet again. Peace.